Hi, how are you doing today?
Good.
Okay, so my name is Jan, and I'm an occupational therapy student, and today we're going to do a little test. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, so first I'm just going to explain to you what we're going to do today. So today you will look at some designs, and I will ask you a question about each one. Some of the things you will do will be very easy, and some will be harder, but just try your best. The answers to the questions will be on the pages I show you. Choose the one that you think is the best answer. You don't have to draw or write anything. You can point to the answer or say the letter that is under it, but you do have to pay attention. So now let's try a practice question, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to look at this, and now find the one that is exactly like it here.
D.
Do you have any questions before we begin? Okay. So I want you to look at this, and now find the one exactly like it here.
A.
Look at this.
Yep.
Now find the one exactly like it here.
C.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Now find the one exactly like it here.
C.
Okay, here's another example question. Which one of these is different from the others?
C.
Okay? Now, which of these is different from the others?
C.
Which of these is different from the others?
C.
Which of these is different from the others?
C.
Which of these is different from the others?
D.
Which of these is different from the others?
B.
Which of these is different from the others?
A.
Okay, so another example question. So look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Where is it hiding?
B.
Okay. Look at this. Where is it hiding?
B.
Look at this. Where is it hiding?
D.
Look at this. Where is it hiding?
B.
Look at this. Where is it hiding?
D.
Another example. How many circles do you find here?
How many circles?
It could be a different size, but it has to be the exact same shape.
Okay. 2.
What
Or
letter?
A.
How many circles circles do you find here?
C.
How many circles do you find here?
Three. C.
How many of this shape do you find here?
D. D.
How many squares do you find here?
D.
How many of this shape do you find here?
D.
So here's an example for the next set of questions. Okay, so I'm going to show you a shape and you'll find it on the next page.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yep.
Okay. Now find it here.
D.
Okay? Same thing. Look at this.
Yep.
Now find it here.
B.
Look at this.
Yep.
Now find it here.
D.
Look at this. Now find it here.
A.
Look at this.
Yep.
Now find it here.
A.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yep.
And now find it here.
D.
Look at this. Now find it here.
B.
Look at this. Now find it here.
D.
Look at this.
Yep.
Now find it here.
B.
Look at this. Now find it here.
D.
So this is another example for the next series of questions. Which one of these is turned around?
A.
So the same thing. Which one of these is turned around?
B.
Look at this. Now find it here. It's
C.
been turned around.
C.
Look at this. Now find it here. It's been turned around.
A.
Okay, so here's another example for the next series of questions. So all of these, they are the same figure. 3 have just been turned so that their heads are in different places, but 1 has been flipped over, like a pancake, so that it faces the opposite direction from the others. Which one has been flipped over and can't be turned to face the same direction as the others?
A.
Okay. So, just like the example, which one of these has been flipped over?
B.
Which one of these has been flipped over?
C.
Which of these has been flipped over?
D.
Okay. Which one of these has been flipped over?
A.
Which one of these has been flipped over?
A.
Which one of these has been flipped over?
D.
Here's an example for the next series of questions. So look at the bottom. If we finished drawing these figures and didn't move any of the lines, which one would look just like the one on top?
C.
Okay. So just like the example, if we finished drawing these figures and didn't move any of the lines, which one would look just like the one on top?
C.
Same thing, if we finished drawing these figures and didn't move any of the lines, which one would look just like the one on top?
D.
If we finished drawing these figures and didn't move any of the lines, which one would look just like the one on top?
C.
If we finished drawing these figures and didn't move any of the lines, which one would look just like the one on top?
B.
If the lines were filled in, which figure would look just like the top one?
D.
If the lines were filled in, which figure would look just like the top one?
B.
If the lines were filled in, which figure would look just like the top one?
A.
If the lines were filled in, which figure would look just like the top one?
B.
If the lines were filled in, which figure would look just like the top one?
C.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for participating.
Yep.
Have a great day.
Me too.